Imagine a world where cars don't just drive on roads, they take to the skies. This is the futuristic vision of Xpeng AeroHT, Asia's largest flying car company and a subsidiary of Xpeng Motors. One of their most jaw-dropping innovations is the land aircraft carrier. Picture a high-tech off-road van carrying a massive drone, an eVTOL, or electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The van isn't just transport, it also acts as a mobile charging station for the drone. Once you reach your destination, the drone detaches, and you're ready for liftoff. One vehicle, two dimensions. Xpeng AeroHT has also unveiled the Voyager X2, their 5th generation eVTOL. Fully electric, designed to carry 2 passengers and luggage, with a sleek futuristic canopy and a built-in 4G per 5G two-way communication system. Even more exciting, Xpeng is building over 200 flying camps, special takeoff and landing sites across China, where users can fly, experience aerial travel, and access support services. Pre-orders for their modular flying car are set to launch in China by the end of 2024, with a commercial rollout targeted for 2026. Priced under $280,000. Rocket flying cars are no longer science fiction. With Xpeng AeroHT, the future is getting ready for takeoff.